In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put decorative border frame on Google Docs. Start by opening Google Docs from your drive and loading the document you want to decorate. You can use a blank document or an existing one, either works. It helps to switch on the ruler so you can see where your margins are as you work. Before adding the frame, set up the page so the border fits nicely. Go to File, then Page Setup. Choose your page size and orientation, and adjust the margins to match your design. If you want the border to appear larger, consider using slightly narrower margins like half an inch, but keep enough space so nothing gets cut off when printing. Click OK to apply. Now it's time to bring in the decorative frame. Download a border image from a reputable royalty-free graphics site and save it to your computer. A PNG with a transparent center usually looks best, but JPGs can work too. Back in Google Docs, choose Insert, Image, and Upload from Computer, then select your border file. It will appear on your page as an image. With the image selected, adjust how it interacts with your text. In the toolbar, choose Wrap Text so your content can flow inside the frame. Then open Image Options or More Options, and under Positioning, make sure Move with Text is turned on. This keeps the frame aligned with your content even as you add or remove paragraphs. If you see a wrap margin setting, set it to 0 or a small value so the text sits comfortably within the frame without pushing too far away. Next, resize the frame to fit the page. Drag a corner handle to scale it up or down while keeping its proportions. Use the ruler and the pink alignment guides to center it. If the image looks stretched, undo and drag from a corner again. You can also fine-tune in image options under size and rotation for precise control. Aim to bring the frame close to your margins without crossing them, especially if you plan to print. Finally, place your cursor where you want to start typing and add your content. Because the image is set to wrap text and move with text, your paragraphs will flow inside the border and the frame will stay aligned as the document grows. When you're done, use Print Preview to confirm nothing is cut off. That's it. Your Google Doc now has a clean decorative border frame that scales, stays centered, and plays nicely with your text.